This one.
This one.
Looks promising.
Yeah?
Looks promising.
That's the garden, is it?
I don't think it's that bit. Bom dia.
Bom dia.
Hi everyone, I'm Mike.
And this is Diana. This season is take 2 of an experience that we've already done, but we're doing it differently this time, traveling from the north of England all the way to central Portugal. Armed with a new arsenal, we've got knowledge and we've got a bit of experience, and this time maybe we're even a bit wiser than we were the first time. So I hope you enjoy the ride. You can check out how we cope traveling, looking at properties, and who knows, maybe we might even find the right property. So stay tuned. Later. Thank you for joining me on this episode. Today we are looking at a property in Penela. It is a ruin. When we saw the pictures originally, it didn't look like a ruin. It didn't have a lot of pictures, but we wanted to view it. Unfortunately, on that day, she was unable to show us the property, and a little bit after that, the property was taken off the market, so we weren't able to see the inside of the property. Mike did manage to get inside, and it was falling down, and there were holes in the roof. It's a very good land. The soil's great. Lots of fruit trees and plants growing in the garden, and it is in a nice, quiet area. We do take a walk in the area, and it is quite a beautiful area. So if you're interested in properties like this, you can get in touch with Clara. But I hope you enjoy watching the video, and see you later. Bye.
You can see the mountains from here. That mountains are the clouds.
Pepper goes high pitch too.
I won't be able to just screamed it off.
Okay, yeah, there's lots of legs here. Yeah, there you go.
It was the one next door to make it look the same, wouldn't you? They don't ever seem to do that.
Lime tree. Wall. A fence.
Move that wall slightly.
Widen.
Wider.
Parking spots. Right there. Good soil. Nice orange tree needs trimming. A few dead things. Oh, grapes.
Can you eat?
Yeah, well, some of them. The big ones, look. If you get the big ones like this, it's just slightly firm. Where are you?
Yeah.
What's this tree? That's that pear.
Yeah, that's a pear tree.
Oh,
Wow.
weird shape.
It's pear. More grapes. I left too much grapes.
What are those then? The oranges?
Should be oranges, yeah. Oranges. Okay, so you'd need to build a wall.
Fence it, can't you? Quite easy to quickly fence it from that corner to that corner. Steel fence to start off, that rolls up. And that corner, do the same. That corner.
So that ruin is one of it.
Hmm?
That ruin.
About that. wash it till it's full of it. What these are then?
Orange.
Oranges.
Look up. Maybe lemons, actually. Look up here.
I think
Might be lemons.
Right, yeah, it might be lemons. Jeez. That's some lemon juice.
That'd be good. Needs trimming though. To be fair, you trim them and it'll just,
Basically,
yeah, how you want it to grow.
So you keep it the top part, so it's nice.
Yeah, it's lemons. There's some big lemons on the floor. Look.
Yeah.
there's a fat one next to it. I also had a kiwi one like that other one.
You can grow it. It won't take long to grow one. No. Huh? Okay. But this is a ruin, right? Okay. Look, there's washing machine.
What else can I use?
That's how they used to wash their clothes. That's how I'll be washing my clothes if I stay here for 3 months. Huh? You could probably eat a pear. That big one. Okay. The grapes, if you come here, there's some really big fat ones. Just now. This one here, look. You see them here? Yeah? Really big fat ones, but you have to go around the other side. I think there's some here actually. Here, see? You can eat them. As long as when you press them, they're not hard. They haven't been looked after. Stand there and eat it. Thanks for watching this video. We really do appreciate your support. Please like, share, and comment on these videos. Let us know what you're enjoying so we can do more of that. And I hope to see you soon. Laters.